Alright, so hello everyone, welcome to the very first video on this channel. My name is Manas Kolaskar and I have pursued my degree in Bachelor's of Computer Applications from Somaiya Vidyavara University, which is in Mumbai. Since FIFA World Cup is coming in 2 days and my main domain is artificial intelligence and machine learning, I thought why not combine both of my interests and build something great out of it. So I have built a football analytics platform which uses ML, machine learning, and data science techniques to predict matches and performance of players. So this is, you can see an overview of my project. It is a AI powered football analytics platform which predicts outcomes. It gives ML based clustering and shows player intelligence dashboards. So let's hop on to the features then. This is the final app which I have built. Now for those guys who have never seen football before, things can be very confusing first, but it will be easy along the way. I'll explain it to you. There are two concepts called home team and away team. Historically speaking, every country who has played in home team tends to win because they have practiced and played there. It is their familiar environment. Whereas away team, some places like Germany, which is going to Brazil to play. So Germany is the away team. It can be challenging for them because it's a new environment for them. So it predicts match based on those two factors. So let's see in work. You can see here is a pretty good graph of home and away. Let's check it in action. I'll just click predict outcome. Surprisingly, you can see Germany is having an advantage of winning of 79%. So right now, which I just said was wrong, was it? Not really. So it also takes head-to-head ratio in it also. Now what is head-to-head ratio? How many times have Brazil and Germany have played before and who has won the most? My model has predicted it due to that. So my model has gave 79% accurate, 79% prediction. It means Germany has won most of the times. And yes, it is. You can see historical data. Now if I click on neutral value and now if I predict the outcome, you can see the chances of draw has increased, but also the chances of away win is still the same. Now the away win has gone to 57%, draw has gone to 39%, and home win has gone to 3%. This is also great because Germany has played in many countries and Germany has a good score. They have won a lot of matches and rarely lost any. That is why it is given so. Now let's see what is a SHAP explanation. This is a feature of AI/ML called Explainable AI, XAI, which basically tells us which columns from the data set our model has predicted and get the accuracy from. You can see there is a column called head-to-head smart. It has used that as the main point of predicting it, and that is what my model is doing because Germany and Brazil have faced many times and Germany has won many times with Brazil. That is why it has taken that into consideration. So this is one thing which is of prediction, which it uses a random forest model. Now let's check which are the fixtures of 2026 actual 2026 matches. So load all 72 fixtures. You can see these are all the 72 matches which are planned for and coming in from 11th of June 2026. The first match is Mexico and South Africa. My model has predicted it as 96% Mexico will win at home ground and away ground will South Africa win as 1% and 3% draw. So basically Mexico has a high chance of winning it. Whereas now let's check on Brazil and Morocco. Brazil has a 100% chance of winning, which is, yes, Brazil is a very good team. And Morocco is kind of getting famous from 2022, it seems. This is the tabular format of it. You can check it. It is live on the app. I will share the link in the description. Now let's check the very interesting feature of it. Player dashboard. So this specific feature stands out from my previous ML model because this is coming from a different data set. This is coming from a data set which has been going since 2022 till 2022. How many players have gone and how many players are performing. So let's compare the player. Let's first check one player. So now I have typed in the GOAT of football, Messi. You can see Messi's data is coming from the transfer market. His position is attack and his sub position is right winger. He is from Argentina. His market value, his highest market value, how much his goals are per 90 minutes, assists per 90 minutes, and cards, how many matches he has played, and international capitals he have attended. This is the comparison radar of Messi. You can see how many graph or goals he has played across the throughout the his history, his metrics, and this is a universal football archetypes. I'll come to it later. Let's compare two players now. We can actually compare it in this platform. You can see Cristiano Ronaldo, again position attack and sub position center forward. Nationality is Portugal. His market value is highest market value. How many matches he has played, how many international capitals he has attended. So this is the comparison radar of both Messi and Ronaldo. You can see, obviously, Ronaldo is on advantage here because Ronaldo has attended more international capitals. Ronaldo has played more international capitals, and Ronaldo has scored more goals than Messi internationally. And it is obviously true because you can see in the list, or you can check Google for it. But Messi tops in the list of assists. Messi has a lot of assists than Ronaldo. This is how you can compare each player based on the stats for the upcoming World Cup and their metrics. Now what is football player archetype? This is basically a cluster graph of every player who has played in it. The more top it is, the more high performance it is played. So now if I see at the very top, there is a good players which have scattered across. Here is Moses Caicedo, Yao Neves, and this is the data set of all players. You can check it around the brain. I'll just move my camera over here. It is the data which is fetching from the backend. All right, so how I made this app. Here is the prefab, here is the repository. You can check, it is in the description below. And yeah, that's it. That is how I created a good ML prediction platform for football. Feel free to fork it on your own repository. It is open repository. You guys can contribute to it. Now, what are my future updates? You can read it here. I am adding a real sentiment engine. Once this football World Cup ends, I'll add it because there will be a lot of fans who will be trolling and maybe saying some opinions which will affect football players' performance. So it will be NLP powered football fan detection. I'll be using Hugging Face more likely and Twitter to fetch players' information or fans' information. That is it. And this is my entire project documentation, which I have also hosted on Notion. You guys can check that. It is in the description below. I have perfectly presented it right over here. You guys can read everything, even for recruiters who are checking this video. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe this video. This is a series which I'm starting called Building Public. So if you want more of my projects coming, please do let me know in the comments how this project is. All right then. See you in the next video.